guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie Dawson and today we are fixing my cabinets and my Ram Promaster van conversion. If you don't already know or seen the van conversion, I did do a full van build series of me converting my 2019 Ram Promaster into my home that I actually did live in for 15 months. I don't live in her anymore, obviously. So we're doing the upper cabinets in my van. I did have upper cabinets in there, but I half-assed them whenever I put them in. So I didn't actually build my own. I bought some and then I just stuck them in there, and over time they just slowly started breaking and falling apart, and I would fix them, and then recently they just all fell off. They just fell while I was driving. So I was like, okay, cool, yeah, this is a good time to fix the cabinets now. Before we start this video, I do want to thank you for watching my video. Please give me a like and subscribe. Anything helps to get my videos out there. Also, if you are looking into getting a conversion van and actually want to experience the van life front and center, and you actually like my van build, I am starting a converting van business called Katie Custom Vans. So if you're interested in like my van build, please give me shoot me a shout via email. I am based in Salt Lake City, Utah right now. So yeah, anyways, let's get started on this video. So, as you can see, there are no upper cabinets at the moment. Like I said, they fell down. So, we are looking to build new ones. So, this is what we've got. And then yesterday, I actually made the template for myself for the cabinets. That actually took a good while. I would say this is the most important part of your cabinet right here, the template. All right, so this is where my upper cabinets are going to be. It's going to come out to right here, stop about right about here, start about right here. They're not going to go all the way to the ceiling like a lot of other vans do, because I don't want that. So this is my template. This is what I have created. This took about 2 tries cutting it out. It's gonna go like that. Like that. Okay. This is very important. I've seen a lot of vans, or I saw one van where they made a mistake of this lower edge being curved down or up. So you got to make sure this down here is not doing that. And to prevent that from doing, you can use a leveler. First off, check out the level of your van. So my van isn't completely leveled, and there's no way of getting it completely leveled, but it's not too far off. It's just a little, like this side is just a little higher than that side. But what you can do is just put your level on the floor. See, mine's not too far off. It's just a little to the left, that bubble. Check down all sides and places of your van. And then what you're gonna do is pretty much just match the level of your van. Match your cabinet with your van. So put this up here. Let's see, I'm gonna go back. And then put it up here and just see where it's at, and you can adjust it by pulling it out or in or this way, you know, just see which way you need to go. Mine's pretty good. I've got it pretty close. So, and then down here, to make sure this is actually straight, first off, make sure this is a right angle right here, using a right angle tool. Also, what you can do is put this right angle up. There's a little cabinet under here, a countertop, so make sure it's flush on the countertop. And then put this up. Draw a line where this is, and just make sure that line is exactly parallel to this line here. So literally measure from up here to here and up here to down there and make it the same length. If it's not, just cut it off a little bit of the side. I had to do that just a little bit. It was off by like 1/4 of an inch, so I had to adjust it. But that should give you a template that is correct. So yes, this is my template. So yeah, template, fun stuff, exciting stuff. That's the first step. First step done.